So if you are planning to start a website or thinking to switch your hosting provider, you have probably heard the name of DreamHost. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete honest DreamHost review. Not sponsored, not copied, just real explanation in simple language. So in this video, we will talk about what DreamHost actually is, its features, pricings, performance and speeds, ease of use, security and backups, pros and cons, and finally, who should use the DreamHost and who should not. So make sure you watch till the end because this video will save you money and features headache. So let's get started. So now let's talk about what is DreamHost. Well, DreamHost is the web hosting company that has been around for many years and mainly popular for simple hosting, strong privacy and beginner friendly services. Unlike many hosting companies that confuse users with too many upsells and hidden limits, DreamHost focus on clear plans and transparency. DreamHost is officially recommended by WordPress, which already says a lot about its reality. It's mainly used by bloggers, small businesses, developers, affiliate marketer, and WordPress users. So DreamHost is not about flashy marketing; it's about stable and long-term hosting. Now let's talk about DreamHost hosting types. So DreamHost offer multiple hosting options like share hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting and cloud hosting. But in this video we mainly focus on share hosting because that's the most beginners and creators use. Share hosting means multiple websites share in one servers, which keeps your the cost low and is perfect for standing out. Now let's talk about DreamHost pricing, the most important part. DreamHost keeps it very simple instead of confusing name. They offer three shared hosting plans designed around growth. The first plan is for people who just launching their first website. The second plan is for those people who want to growth and flexibility. And third plan is for the serious project with high traffic. The pricing start very low for beginners and increase logically as features and capacity increase. What I personally like here is that Dremos doesn't force you into unnecessary features. You only pay for what you actually need. And yes, all plans come with 30-day money back guarantee, so there's no risk here. Now let's talk about performance. Because cheap hosting is useless if your website is slow. DreamHost use NVMe SSD storage, which is much faster than traditional hard drives. That means faster loading times, better performance, improved user experience. They also offer unlimited bandwidth, which means you don't need to worry about traffic spikes. In real users, DreamHost perform very well for blogs, WordPress website and content-based sites. It's not designed to be ultra high-speed hosting like premium cloud servers, but for sheer hosting performance is solid and reliable. Now let's talk about security and backups. Security is most important thing you should never ignore. DreamHost includes free SSL certificate, daily automated backup, malware protection, and secure data centers. Most hosting companies charge extra for backups. DreamHost include it by default, which is big plus. This means if something goes wrong, your data is safe. Email and domain features. DreamHost also includes free domain for first year, professional emails account, free for initial months, easy DNS management. This makes DreamHost is complete package, especially for beginners who don't want to buy service separately. Customer support. DreamHost provides 24 by 7 support, live chat, email support and knowledge based support. Support quality is generally good, but response time can sometimes be slower compared to premium hosting companies. Still, for share hosting users, support is reliable and helpful. DreamHost pros and cons. Pros: simple and transparent pricing, free SSL and daily backup, strong WordPress support, beginner friendly dashboard, 30-day money back guarantee, and no aggressive upscaling. DreamHost also has some cons. No cPanel, not in any issue or for everyone, email not for free, and not ideal for very high traffic enterprises sites. So who should use DreamHost? Well, DreamHost is perfect for beginners starting their first website, bloggers and content creators, WordPress users, affiliate marketer and small business owners. But if you need advanced server control, enterprise level performance, extremely fast global servers, then you might be need a higher end hosting provider. So final verdict. So is DreamHost worth it? Yes, if you want a reliable, beginner-friendly, and honest hosting, DreamHost is not trying to be a flashy. It's trying to be stable, affordable, and simple, and it succeeds at that. If you're starting your online journey or want a stress-free hosting experience, DreamHost is definitely worth considering. So if you want to if you want to check out DreamHost with the latest discount, you can find the link in the description. You'll get a 30-day money back guarantee, so you can try without any risk. So if this video is helpful, and make sure to like the video and share with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.